You know, folks always say there's no place like home, but let me tell you something. After staying at these places, you might just disagree. We're talking historic inns and charming B&Bs in North Carolina, the kind of places that'll make you want to kick off your shoes, sip some sweet tea on the porch swing, and just unwind. So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to take a little virtual vacay to some of the most delightful destinations this side of the Mississippi. First up, we're heading over to Pittsboro, North Carolina, home of the Fearrington House Inn. This place is the real deal, folks. We're talking Forbes 4-star, 8LA 5 Diamond. They've got more awards than a country music legend. But don't let that scare you. It's got that warm southern hospitality that makes you feel right at home. Picture this, strolling through their gorgeous gardens, indulging in their award-winning restaurant. They even have goats. I mean, who doesn't love goats, am I right? Now, let's talk about the rooms. Each one is uniquely decorated with a blend of classic and contemporary styles. Whether you're staying in a cozy room or a spacious suite, you're in for a treat. And if you're looking to unwind, their spa offers a range of treatments that'll leave you feeling rejuvenated. The Fearrington House Inn is also a popular spot for events, from weddings to corporate retreats. Imagine saying "I do" in such a picturesque setting, or hosting a business meeting with all the amenities you could need. And let's not forget about the breakfast. Start your day with a delicious spread that'll keep you coming back for more. Whether it's a cup of coffee in the morning or a glass of wine in the evening, they've got you covered. The evenings here are just as magical, with a serene ambiance that makes you feel like you're in a fairy tale. Cozy up by the fireplace and let your worries melt away, or lose yourself in a good book in their charming library. There's always something to do here, whether it's exploring the grounds or participating in one of their many activities. They even offer cooking classes for those who want to learn a new skill, or perhaps a wine tasting to discover some new favorites. And for the art lovers, their gallery showcases some stunning pieces. Don't forget to stop by their boutique for some unique finds to take home. The staff here go above and beyond to make sure your stay is unforgettable. It's no wonder guests keep coming back year after year. So, if you're looking for a place where luxury meets southern charm, the Fearrington House Inn is the place to be. Come experience it for yourself and create memories that'll last a lifetime. Next stop, Charlotte, North Carolina, where history and elegance collide at the Duke Mansion. Nestled in the heart of this bustling city, the Duke Mansion stands as a testament to a bygone era, offering a serene escape from the modern hustle and bustle. This grand old beauty was built back in 1915 and has hosted presidents, dignitaries, you name it. Imagine the conversations that have taken place within these walls, the decisions that have shaped history, and the stories that have been passed down through generations. But don't worry, you don't need a Secret Service detail to stay here. The Duke Mansion welcomes everyone with open arms, offering a unique blend of historical charm and modern comfort. Just a hankering for luxury and a taste of the good life. Each suite is meticulously designed to provide the utmost comfort, with plush furnishings and elegant decor that transport you to a different time. We're talking 4-poster beds, fireplaces, clawfoot tubs. Every detail is carefully curated to ensure a luxurious experience. Imagine sinking into a deep clawfoot tub after a long day of exploring the city, or curling up by the fireplace with a good book. It's like stepping back in time, but with better Wi-Fi. While the mansion retains its historic charm, it also offers all the modern amenities you could need, ensuring a comfortable and convenient stay. Plus, they've got a wraparound porch that's just begging for a glass of sweet tea and a good book. Picture yourself sitting in a rocking chair, sipping on sweet tea, and enjoying the peaceful surroundings. It's the perfect spot to unwind and soak in the beauty of the mansion's gardens and grounds. Speaking of gardens, the Duke Mansion is surrounded by lush greenery and blooming flowers. The meticulously maintained gardens are a sight to behold, offering a tranquil retreat where you can relax and reconnect with nature. And let's not forget about the dining experience. The Duke Mansion offers a gourmet breakfast that is sure to delight your taste buds. Enjoy a delicious meal in the elegant dining room, where the ambiance is as delightful as the food. The Duke Mansion is also a popular venue for weddings and special occasions. With its stunning architecture and picturesque surroundings, it's the perfect backdrop for creating unforgettable memories. For those who love to read, the mansion's library is a treasure trove of books, find a cozy nook and lose yourself in a good book, surrounded by the rich history and charm of the mansion. The staff at the Duke Mansion are dedicated to providing exceptional service and warm hospitality. From the moment you arrive, you'll feel like royalty, with every need and desire catered to with care and attention. As the sun sets, the Duke Mansion takes on a magical quality. The exterior is beautifully illuminated, creating a romantic and enchanting ambience. It's the perfect time to take a leisurely stroll around the grounds and soak in the beauty of this historic gem. When it's time to leave, you'll take with you not just memories of a luxurious stay, but a deep appreciation for the history and elegance of the Duke Mansion. It's a place that leaves a lasting impression, inviting you to return again and again. Now, if you're looking for a little mountain getaway, look no further than the Mast Farm Inn in Valle Crucis. This place is what dreams are made of, folks. Nestled in the heart of the Blue Ridge Mountains, it's got that rustic charm that just makes you want to snuggle up by the fire with a cup of cocoa. They've got cozy cabins, breathtaking views, and hiking trails galore. Plus, you can't beat that mountain air. It's like nature's own aromatherapy. And let's not forget the food. The Mast Farm Inn offers farm-to-table meals that are simply divine. They use fresh ingredients sourced from local farms, ensuring every bite is a taste of the region. Whether you're dining indoors or enjoying a candlelit dinner under the stars, the experience is unforgettable. For those looking to unwind, the inn also offers a range of spa services. From massages to aromatherapy sessions, you'll leave feeling rejuvenated and refreshed. The Mast Farm Inn is also a popular spot for events and celebrations. Imagine saying your vows with the Blue Ridge Mountains as your backdrop. It's truly magical. As the sun sets, the inn transforms into a cozy haven, perfect for winding down after a day of adventure. Gather around the fireplace, share stories, and make memories that will last a lifetime. And if you visit in the winter, the inn becomes a snowy wonderland, adding a touch of magic to your stay. Enjoy winter activities like snowshoeing and winter hiking, all while taking in the serene beauty of the snow-covered mountains. The Mast Farm Inn also goes all out for the holidays, creating a festive atmosphere that's perfect for celebrating with loved ones. From twinkling lights to a beautifully decorated Christmas tree, the inn is a holiday haven. In the spring, the inn comes alive with blooming flowers and vibrant greenery. It's the perfect time for nature walks and exploring the beautiful gardens. Summer at the Mast Farm Inn is all about outdoor fun and relaxation. From swimming to barbecues, there's something for everyone to enjoy. And in the fall, the inn is surrounded by stunning fall foliage, making it a picturesque retreat. Take a hike through the colorful leaves, or simply enjoy a cozy evening by the fire. No matter the season, the Mast Farm Inn offers a unique and unforgettable experience. So if you're looking for a place that combines rustic charm with modern comforts, the Mast Farm Inn is the place to be. Visit their website for more information and to book your stay today. All right, folks, get ready to be wowed because we're about to enter a whole other level of grandeur. Imagine stepping into a world where opulence and history blend seamlessly, where every corner tells a story of a bygone era, yet offers the comforts of modern luxury. I'm talking about the Inn on Biltmore Estate in Asheville. Nestled in the heart of the Blue Ridge Mountains, this estate is not just a place to stay. It's an experience that transports you back in time. This place is straight out of Downton Abbey, y'all. Picture yourself walking through halls that echo with the whispers of the past, where every room is adorned with intricate details and timeless elegance. We're talking about the largest private home in America, a true architectural marvel that stands as a testament to the grandeur of the Gilded Age, built by the Vanderbilts themselves. The Biltmore House, constructed by George Washington Vanderbilt II, is a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship reflecting the opulence and sophistication of its era. And you can stay there. Imagine waking up in a room that exudes luxury, with views that take your breath away, and service that makes you feel like royalty. Well, not in the actual house, that's a museum. But don't worry, the Inn on Biltmore Estate offers an equally enchanting experience. But the inn is right on the estate, and it's pretty darn fancy itself. Think luxurious rooms, world-class dining, and amenities that cater to your every need. The rooms are designed to provide the utmost comfort with elegant furnishings and modern conveniences, and enough activities to keep you busy for a week. From exploring the beautifully manicured gardens to indulging in outdoor adventures like horseback riding and hiking, there's something for everyone. Just try not to spend all your money in the gift shop. With a wide array of unique souvenirs from handcrafted items to gourmet treats, it's easy to get carried away. So pack your bags and get ready to live like a Vanderbilt, even if it's just for a night. The Inn on Biltmore Estate promises an unforgettable experience that combines history, luxury, and adventure in one spectacular package. Last but not least, we're heading to Chapel Hill, home of the Tar Heels. This vibrant town is known for its rich history, academic excellence, and southern charm. Nestled in the heart of North Carolina, Chapel Hill is a place where tradition meets modernity, creating a unique and welcoming atmosphere for visitors and residents alike. And at the center of it all is the Historic Carolina Inn. This place has been a landmark since 1924, hosting everyone from presidents to movie stars. The inn was originally built by John Sprunt Hill, a prominent alumnus of the University of North Carolina, as a gift to the university. Over the years, it has become a symbol of hospitality and elegance, offering a glimpse into the past while providing modern comforts. But don't worry, you don't need to be a celebrity to feel like one here. Just step inside and soak up the history and charm. The Carolina Inn boasts a cozy library where you can lose yourself in a good book or enjoy a quiet moment of reflection. The grand ballroom, with its stunning chandeliers and elegant decor, is the perfect setting for weddings, galas, and other special events. The historic interiors are adorned with vintage photographs and memorabilia, telling the story of the inn's storied past. And let's not forget the beautiful courtyard, perfect for sipping mint juleps on a warm afternoon. The lush gardens and comfortable seating areas provide a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Plus, you're right in the heart of Chapel Hill, so you can easily walk to all the shops and restaurants. Whether you're in the mood for some local cuisine, a bit of shopping, or just a leisurely stroll through the charming streets, everything is just a stone's throw away. The Carolina Inn truly offers the best of both worlds, a serene retreat with all the conveniences of a bustling town right at your doorstep. So come on down and experience the magic of the Carolina Inn for yourself. It's more than just a place to stay. It's a piece of Chapel Hill's history and a testament to Southern hospitality at its finest. Well, folks, there you have it. 5 incredible historic inns and B&Bs in North Carolina that'll make you want to pack your bags and hit the road. Whether you're looking for luxury, rustic charm, or a little bit of both, North Carolina's got something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your next getaway. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow travel enthusiasts. We're here 3 times a week with more travel tips, destination inspiration, and a whole lot of laughs. See y'all soon.